In this video, we will see how to use DeepSeek locally on Windows. For that purpose, we will head over to Google Chrome and look for Olama. Once we open that, click on the download button, and once it's downloading, we will head over to the model section right here. Once you open model, search for DeepSeek on the search bar and you will find this one. Once you're on this page, you will see this bar right here. Now these are different versions of DeepSeek that you can download depending upon your capacity. And for example here, I have selected 7B and this is the source code that I'm gonna use in order to use DeepSeek on my Windows. Once the download is complete, we will open up the setup and click on the install button. Now keep in mind that Olama allows you to run LLMs on your computer. After that, just wait for the installation to be completed. Now, once the installation is completed, you can see Olama running in the background of your Windows. After that, we will head over here and we will search Windows PowerShell. Once you have opened up the PowerShell, we will place the command that I mentioned earlier on the Olama website. So we're just gonna go. Now we will head back to this website and copy this source code that was provided to us. After that, we'll simply open up our PowerShell and paste this code right here. Now once you paste the code, you will see that the downloading has been successfully started on your Windows. Now once the downloading is completed, you will be able to use DeepSeek locally on your Windows. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.